Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss on the topic deterministic finite automata. Here we take the one example for draw DFA. That is the draw DFA where strings start with 0 and end with 1 over the alphabet 0 and 1. Fine. Before drawing the DFA, first of all we have to write down the language of a given example. So what is the language here? What they say is the strings start with 0 and end with 1. So here you have to write down the all strings those start with 0 and end with 1. So we'll start with the minimum string, that is the 0 1. Start with 0, end with 1. Then 0 0 1, 0 0 1 1, 0 1 0 1, likewise. So you have to write down the number of strings those start with 0 and end with 1. This is the language. Fine. The language is nothing but the collection of string or set of strings. Then also we have to write down the regular expression for a given example. So what is the regular expression? What they say is the strings start with 0. So yes, start with 0. Write down the 0. End with 1. Yes, end with 1. So they are giving the start condition and the end condition. In between there might possibility that the combination of 0 and 1. So for the combination of 0 and 1 is 0 plus 1 bracket star. So as this is the regular expression for a given example where strings start with 0 and with 1. Clear everyone? Now keep in mind while drawing the DFA, first of all you have to draw the DFA for the minimum string. So which one is the minimum here? The 0 1. This is the minimum string. So first of all draw the DFA for the minimum string. So start with the initial state Q0. By taking the 0 it moves to the state Q1, and by taking the 1 it moves to the final state Q2. And this is the DFA for the minimum string 0 1. Yes, through this the 0 1 is accepted and reached to the final one. Double circle state is the final state. Fine. Now everybody knows the condition or the restriction for the DFA. What is the restriction? The restriction is that from each and every state there should be the one transition for every input symbol. So here the input symbols are 0 and 1. So Q0 0 is there, 1 is left. See, Q0's 0 is finished, 1 is left. Q1's 1 is finished, 0 is left. Q2's both are left, 0 and 1. So we have to make the transition for the Q0s for the input symbol 1, Q1 for the 0 and Q2 for the both. Cleared everyone? Now start with the Q0. Which transition is remains for the Q0? 0's transition is here, 1's is remains. So first of all always try for the self loop. And if I make the self loop of 1 here, what happened? The invalid string is accepted by the DFA because in the question they are asking about the string which start with 0 and end with 1. And if I make the self loop of 1 here, then here the string is start with the 1. So the self loop is not possible. So what to do? In that case you have to move the 1's transition for the error state because we never start with the 1. Clear? And on the error state always give the transition for the both input symbols 0 and 1, the self loop for the 0 and 1. Clear everyone? Clear? Now see, Q0 0 is finished, 1 is finished. Now move to the Q1 state. Q1 states 1's transition is here, 0 is remains. So what I already told, first try for the self loop. If I make the self loop of the 0 here, see, then check for the all valid state and check for is invalid is passing through this one or not. Fine. So see, if I make the self loop of 0 here, the which strings are passed? 0, take the 1 0 from this one and 1. Yes, start with 0, end with 1. The self loop is means the 0 or more occurrence of the 0 input. Clear everyone? So here you can take the number of zeros from this self loop. And in between if I am taking the number of zeros from this self loop, it always end with the 1. So no issues. The all valids are accepted due to this self loop and no invalid is accepted. So self loop is the correct over here. So now check, Q1 0 is finished, 1 is finished, both are finished. Now Q2's both are remains. First go for the first input symbol 0. Fine. See here, if I make the self loop of 0 here on the Q2, what happened? See, if I am making the self loop here 0 0 1 0 means the string is end with the 0, but in our question they are asking about the end with 1. So the self loop of 0 is the invalid here. Then what is the next option? If self loop is not fitted, go to the or backtrack to the previous state. Fine. So I make the transition to the previous state Q1 and then we'll check whether all valid are accepted or not. Now see, 0 0 1 0 1. See, I am again writing 0 0 1 0 from this loop, 1 0, again come back to the Q1 and 1. See here, means if I put the transition towards the Q1, then all valid are accepted because it always start with the 0 and by taking the 1 it reach to the final state. So yes, the 0's transition is correct over here. Now remaining is what? 1. So make the self loop of the 1 here, and is this self loop correct here? Yes, because what they says, always end with the 1, and if I make the self loop on the final state, the every string is ended with the 1. So now check out for each and every state, is there transition for the both input symbol? Q0 0 1 correct, Q1 0 1 correct, Q2 0 1 and error state 0 1. So yes, now your DFA is finished over here. Through this DFA, the every string start with 0 and end with 1 is accepted. Cleared everyone? Now write down the 5 tuple definition for the given DFA. So what is the 5 tuples? Q. Q is nothing but the number of states. Q0, Q1, Q2 and QE. Fine. Sigma, that is the input alphabets. What are the input alphabets? 0 and 1. Then Q0, which one is the initial one? That is the Q0. Then F is the final, the double circle is the final one, that is the Q2. Fine. And the last one is the transition mapping. So what is the transition mapping? For that we are drawing the table here. Here you have to draw the input alphabets 0 and 1, and here you have to draw the states of a given DFA Q1, Q2, QE. And just look at in the DFA, Q0 0's transition, where it moves Q1, write down Q1. Q0's 1 transition, Q0's 1, where it moves QE, error state, write down that. Q1's 0's transition, the self loop, so Q1 itself. Q1's 1 transition, move to the Q2, write down Q2. Q2's 0's transition, it moves to the Q1. 1's transition, self loop, so Q2 itself, and Q is the both transition on itself, so write down the QE. And this is what transition mapping function for the DFA, and this is the 5 tuple definition for the DFA.